Whoa, whoa, whoa. Hey, how are you doing? Well, wow. Welcome to my channel. If it is your first time here, ik heiße Maureen. My name is Maureen, and this is the YouTube babe. In this video today, I already have is in this bandana tutorial today. I already have that feeling that it's going to be amazing. It's going to be superb. The outcome will be just amazing. Well, if you want to have this style with your curly hair, with your natural hair, with braids, locks, name them all, this is the style for you because it is an easy hack, and I'm going to be giving you all the tea and tips on how you can go about it. So what are the requirements? All you need is one bandana. If you're going to have like a natural hair, you can have a hair band to hold on to the hair, and maybe a flat surface if you cannot just do it on air like me. But anyways, or even an iron box, the last two are not necessary. So right into it, just like the video because yeah, just like it and watch to the very end. If you have your own hair, you can just pull your natural hair or locks or braids like me. You just pull to the front some bits of the hair like this, yeah, and then let the rest of the hair lie towards the back. Let the rest of the hairs lie towards the back like that. For this hair, so that you do not pull it towards the back, you can always use the small band that you have to hold it right there. And also for this other side, you can always use that band to tie it down. And then the hairs at the back, you can let them be or just hold them fast, and then afterwards you can always release them. Okay, the next thing is grabbing onto your bandana. It doesn't matter the color, the pattern, name them all. And then if you're placing it on a flat surface like this, make sure that the inner side faces towards the top. And if you're placing it or doing it on air like me, just like this, make sure that the inner side faces towards the front, like where your eyes are facing, that's where the inner side is facing. And the inner side is the side in which the sewing is seen. The side in which the sewing is seen. In this particular case, that's my inner side, and it actually looks faded more than the outer side. After that, remember this is a series that we are doing together, so make sure you watch also the other videos. After that, rotate your bandana like this to form something like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond to form something like a diamond. Shine bright tonight, you ain't. I'm just mixing every song. Anyways, let this tip get to the other tip, but in this case, you're not going to let this tip kiss. They'll be in a long distance relationship. So from this top, you do it a little bit towards the center to get that size. Okay, so in this particular way, I'll show you three ways in which you can place it onto your head, and it's upon you to choose the simplest for you. The first one, you just place it onto your neck like that, and then do a knot at the back, but do not strangle yourself. And then afterwards, having it like this, remember the small size is the one that is on top here, and then the big size is the one that is lying below. So, and then you pull it towards your head. Oh, it's just, I've done it small, like that. Okay, you have something like that. The small size is the one here, the bigger one. So pull the small size towards the back of your head, and then go for the bigger side. Voila, and there you go, your style is ready. That is manner number one, in which you can just place it on your head. And you can choose for it to lie onto your forehead like that, or pull it a little bit towards the back, or even up to that point. It's all upon you on how you feel like it's, yeah, you're vibing to it. It's, yeah, it's on point for you. So if you like this one, like the video. Let me show you the other way in which you can do it. Having still folded it towards that point, and maybe a little bit higher. I think with this case, let's just do it a little bit higher. Let this V be a little bit smaller. Up to that point, you just flip it on your head like that. You see the inner side, just flip. Okay, or you place it onto your shoulders first, like a towel, like that, with the small size lying on top of your shoulders. Let the small size be the one at the bottom, and then slowly take it towards the front up to where you want. If you want it towards this point, well and good. If you want it maybe just to lie a little bit back like that, even much better. It's all upon you. So let me just start off with the front, and then I'll just pull it a little bit while we look at it. Okay, and then like that. Now you do your knot at the back. You can do the knot on top of your hairs or below the hairs, any manner in which you want. All that matters in this case that we have our hairs, that we are here at the front. Remember where you started, I told you to do like tie it here and tie it this other side. Okay, now you can do the untying and also the untying at the back. So do your knot at the back. You can always do 2 knots to avoid it feeling like it is loose. And then push it towards the back. I feel like it's too big. So to reduce the size, if you feel it's too big, just make sure this tip is a little bit longer than we did it previously. And then do the same thing. In this case, I'm just gonna flip and then place it right there, and then do my knot below my hairs. The purpose why you had done the cutting is because of this case whereby you find yourself holding all the hairs, but still we want some hairs at the front. And yeah, now I love the outcome. I just don't like it, I love it. Let's see, with the hairs at the front, place it on your forehead. Yeah, place it a little bit at the back. Now it's all upon you to decide the one that you feel goes best with you, your face shape and all. Pull it like that, even much better. But now in that case, it feels a little bit loose. Again, I love the way it is come out. I love it. I love it. I love it. Told you they're natural. You can place them here. Your locks, your braids. Just look at that. This girl, she's just a girl. No, I'm just looking for the perfect song. Pretty, 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 please. I don't know. I don't even remember this song at this moment. So there you go. Remember, this channel is all about tutorials. I'm loving this. I'm enjoying this. I'm actually gonna stay like this. Well, anyways, that's how you do it. I hope you enjoyed the video to this particular end, and remember to watch more of my tutorials. How am I? Remember to watch more of my tutorials. Why am I mentioning it like that? Remember to watch more of my tutorials. Yeah, better. More of my tutorials about bandana, beauty, and also lifestyle. And to do that, just click right here to watch more of my amazing content. Let's meet right here. Just click on this one, and I'll see you right there. Thank you. Let's meet there. See you. looking like a 10 over